All right, here we are in the AI Copy Lab. Once again, I'm Andy O'Brien. Hit the subscribe button, okay? Thank you. Okay, I'm going to share my screen here. You can see my ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to add the custom instructions feature. And if you go over to the left, all you do is click on your name. This is my name and email over here. And once you click on that, it will show you this option, custom instructions. Now I'm going to click on that. And what custom instructions is, if you're not aware, it's a new feature where ChatGPT will actually remember things that you tell it to do. Like in a previous video, I had showed you how to teach ChatGPT to write in your own voice and create a style guide for you. So that style guide that ChatGPT created for you, you can put right in here, right in custom instructions. Just paste it right in, and then it will remember. You don't have to start new sessions, or I mean, stay in an existing session, so you don't have to plug in your style guide over and over again. You just put it in here, and it even tells you what some other things that you can. It gives you some suggestions: where you're based, what do you do for work, what are your hobbies and interests, what subjects can you talk about for hours, what are some goals you have. I mean, it's giving you suggestions, but the main thing you want to do, in my opinion, if you want to have ChatGPT write copy in your own voice, for example, or tell your story, for future reference for things that you want to do down the road in future marketing campaigns, you're going to put all this stuff right in custom instructions. All right. And then the next one is, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? Like, and the thought starters, the suggestions it gives here: how formal or casual, how long or short should the responses be? How do you want to be addressed? Like, it can call you by name. Should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral? Those are just suggestions. You can do this in any way you like. So this is a really cool new feature of ChatGPT. Right now, as of this video, it's only available for the pro people, people paying $20 a month. But I hear that they're rolling it out to the free users as well. So depending on when you watch this video, it may already be available to the free ChatGPT users. So hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.